BomberMan.
Hello my friends, welcome back to my MIG BomberMan channel, and today you're gonna see very interesting, actually one of my best explosion video. As we all know, Christmas time is coming, so everybody was saving money for this period for all the presents, and I was saving as well. I was saving the money all the year as well. I was putting down every cent, every dollar to my piggy bank all the year for this time, for the presents of Christmas. Let's go back 1 year ago. 1 year ago, I was trying to find my piggy bank. So that's why I went far away. I flew up to the piggy country. Yes, you see it? How nice it is. What a nice colors around. I didn't travel alone. I took my friend Jim in a company with me. I had a big luggages and many equipment to find my piggy bank. That's why we are here. So let's take it and put it in our microwave. Yes, microwave. One of our subscribers named our explosion camera like this. Before checking the results, let's watch it once again with a slow motion movie and just enjoy. Enjoy the video.
Damn!
MIG BomberMan.
I fly to the moon. I shrink the moon. I grab the moon. I sit on the toilet. What?
Before giving you the results, I have to find out where was the money. Where was my money? Because as you saw, the pig was totally empty. Yes, it was empty and no money was found inside. As you saw, there was just only gel balls inside. But don't worry, I won't leave it like this. I will find out where is my money. The results actually a bit shocked me. It was like a bit kind of weak results, but anyway, the results are like this. Actually, I didn't expect it that it could be like this, but it, as you see, it weighs just only half a kilo, half a kilogram, 500 grams. But on explosion time, it reached 73 kilograms power that this piggy weighted. Nice one. And the second measurement is sound recorder. We also measure the sound in decibels. How loud it was. It was weak or very loud or not. So that's why we see. And the sound recorder showed that it was 87 decibels power. So it was I cannot say that it was very powerful, but anyway, especially for you, slow motion movie was perfect. Perfect, guys. And if you like my channel, if you like this piggy bank explosion, so just like the video, subscribe our channel, follow us on all social medias, TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, and more. And you will see much more slow motion explosion movies of all the things what we are destroying.
MIG BomberMan.